Hello everyone, welcome back to another SQL problem. So the problem is called city with most amenities, and this question has been asked by Airbnb, and this is a hard problem. So the question says you are given a data set of searches for properties on Airbnb. For simplicity, let's say that each search result, that is each row, represents a unique host. So if you remember in the last question, we had to create the unique host by concatenating multiple columns, right? But this time they are saying each search result represents a unique host. So that means all of them are distinct. Now we have to find the city with the most amenities across all their host properties. Okay, so we just have to find the city with the most amenities. Okay, and then we have to output the name of the city. Okay, so let's look at the input data. So this is the Airbnb search details, and this is the input data. So we have so many columns again. So if we do a preview, but we are mostly interested in amenities and city. So let's pick these two columns. Let's pick city and amenities. Let's look at the data. So see, as you can see in NYC city, let's order them by city. Yeah. So in Boston, we have these many amenities. And then again, Boston, we have these many amenities. So what we have to do is we have to find the city with the most number of amenities. You are given a data set of searches for properties on Airbnb. For simplicity, let's say each search result, that is each row, represents a unique host. We have to find the city with the most amenities across all their host properties. So they are not saying whether the amenities should be unique. Hmm. So I think we'll just calculate how many. So what we will do is we'll calculate how many amenities are these, and then we will also calculate the number how many amenities are this, and then we will sum them. And by doing the sum, we will get the total number of amenities in that particular city by doing a group by on the city column. So let's see. So the logic that we are going to write here is, if you remember in one of the videos, I told you how to count the number of a particular word that is occurring inside that particular text, right? So we will apply something like that. So let's suppose if I want to find how many amenities are there in this text. So the logic here is to find that what we can do is we can calculate how many commas are there. So let's suppose commas are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. So there are 13 amenities. So what we will do is we will do a length of amenities. We'll take the length and we will do a minus, and we will do a minus with len of replace amenities, the data in amenities, and we will replace the commas with nothing. And after that, we will just do a +1. Because if there are 9 commas, then that means there are 10 amenities. So if we take the entire length, let's suppose this length comes out to be 100. Let's suppose. And if I subtract, if I first of all, I will replace these commas, right? And then I will again take the length. So let's suppose if there are 10 commas, so the length will come out to be 90, right? So how many commas will be there? Equal to 10, right? Then we will do a +1 because the number of amenities will be number of commas plus 1. So I hope you understood what logic are we trying to write here. So we will do this and we will call this as n underscore amenities, and we will do a order by city again. Now let's run this. So see, in Boston, and then we can also do a group by. So we'll do that in the next step. So let's put this into a city. So with T1 as, we'll put it here. And now we will do a select city from T1, and we will do a group by select city from T1. We will do a group by on city, and we will do a order by sum of n underscore amenities in descending order. Now let's run this. So we got NYC at the top. So first let's put this here. Let me just write it here and let's call it S underscore amenities. Run the code. So as you can see in NYC, we have 1415 amenities. Then we have 1146. So this is the maximum amenities which is there in the city NYC. So now what we can do is, instead of writing this variable here, we can write the sum part in the order by clause. And we just have to pick the city with the most amenities, right? So we just want to pick the first one. So we can do is select top one, or we can also apply the rank function as well, and then we can pick the record with rank equal to 1. But I'll just do that, select top one, and we'll get the output. But let me know if you want that solution as well with the rank or dense rank with window functions actually. I can also write that. So we got NYC. Now let's check the solution, and it passed. Yeah. So the trickier question again. So the trickiest part was to calculate the number of entities, right, inside the amenities column. So what we did was we replaced the amenities with nothing, and then we took the difference between the original and the replaced text, and then we got the number of commas. And after that, we just added 1 to it to get the number of amenities inside that particular field. And after that, we just did a sum by grouping on the city, and we picked the top one. So I hope you guys understood, but still, if you have any doubts, please post them in the comment section and I will try to resolve them. And I will also provide the practice link in the description so you can also practice. Thank you.